Looking for a powerful fluorescence microscope without the high price tag? Meet the Reconditioned Life EVOS FL MCF094-1 from Galileo Scientific. This compact, high-performance system delivers precise multi-channel imaging with advanced LED illumination. Its versatile filter turret ensures pinpoint accuracy in excitation and emission control. Fast and reliable, the high-sensitivity sensor captures clear images in seconds, while the automated focus and motorized stage makes scanning effortless. Plus, the user-friendly touchscreen gives you complete control with built-in image analysis software. Designed for efficiency, the adjustable exposure settings provide dynamic range accuracy, and the high-quality optical components enhance resolution for crisp, detailed results. Every system is expertly reviewed, serviced, and reconditioned by our specialists, so you get top performance at a fraction of the cost. Upgrade your lab with the Life EVOS FL MCF094-1. Reliable, affordable, ready to perform. Contact Galileo Scientific today.